Hi Balloon family, just thought I'd jump in real quick to say hi as I prepare to go to a safari themed event today, and I am testing out some new balloons at this event. New to me anyway, the Kalisan brand. Recently I saw a fellow artist's work that they shared online and they did a beautiful little pony, and I am just practicing it before ahead of the gig and using the beautiful Kalisan range. It's been going okay so far, except not okay. This beautiful light shade of pink has burst on me twice, so I'm hoping it's going to be better for me at the event than it is here sitting in my home. But the colour is gorgeous, and so is many of the ones that I've purchased, so it'll be interesting to see how they go. I'll just quickly show you my bag. Oh, restocked, full of beautiful colours, lots of 360s and 260s, but I've also got a lot of fun colours here in the front. And when I say fun colours, lots of hearts, so I've got green, blue, orange, yellow, purple, a couple of different shades of pink, and my white, and that is thanks to my amazing supplier JJ. So I'm just really looking forward to working with such a full bag of beautiful colours on this event. When I was at Balloon Retreat, I did get my hands on some Kalisan for the first time, and it'll be interesting to see how it compares against the other brands in my bag. So I've got a mixture right now. We've got Qualatex, we've got Sempertex, we've got the Kalisan, but also the BWS, which is those hearts, and I've got a few rounds and quick links still from Qualatex. But I'm really excited to go in with this full bag today and do the safari themed event. So I'm actually working and representing my friend today. Her business Mirror on the Wall. So I am wearing this fun shirt. I've also got this cute little balloon doggy pin from Earthwildler. Love it. You should check out their range if you're into that kind of thing. Let's just finish up with this beautiful pony because I need it finished, right? Don't know if you can kind of see it back here. The balloon artist is Balloon Works, who I have been inspired by to make this one today. Oops, popped again. I think that does not bode well. We shall see how things go. I don't think I like how I've done that, but that's fine, it can stay. So I'm going to finish up here real soon and head to my event. I'm going to go to my gig. I'm going to see how these balloons work out, and I'm going to come back and let you know how I went using a mixed bag of balloons. See you soon. Hey guys, I am back from the job and it went pretty well. So it was 2.5 hours long, and there was a lot of teenagers and some younger kids, and they all really enjoyed the balloons, as if there was any question of that, right? I wanted to give a bit of a recap of how the balloons went at the event. So I mentioned I had the mixture of balloons in my bag. All the colours were just really beautiful, vibrant, and meshed really well together. There were some standouts where I didn't have a colour match, but I think if I increase the amount of balloons in my bags, I am going to be winning. So what were the pros and cons? Let's get into those a bit more. So the Kalisan, definitely the vibrant colours and how well they matched in with everything else. The cons were I did find they were a little bit tougher on the hands, as well as more prone to breakage than I would have liked. But given that it's a brand that I'm not used to working with, I think that will improve with time. So the balloon hearts, the BWS Eco balloons, they were beautiful. They were strong and they really impressed me. Whenever I blew out one of the hearts, it gave beautiful defined lobes, and actually let me show you. Like, how stunning is that shape? And the color, of course, beautiful. Look how nicely that matches in with this other brand of Kalisan. So this is something that I made just here at home as a little bit of a test. So these hearts, they're beautiful and strong, and that's what I used to make this unicorn design here. If you haven't seen the video before, I'm going to link it for you because you're going to want to check it out. It's the same as what's in the video, except I have used 260, where in my video I have a 160, and we've got a couple of different sizes here. So 260 with the mane and a 160 with the tail. So this heart went beautifully. I did want to do a comparison for you with the Qualatex heart, but that's the second one I've tried to do while sitting here at home. And the factor of the matter is the Qualatex balloons are older, but also the quality was never quite the same in recent years. So I've always kind of dreaded doing this design, but now I am looking forward to getting right back into it with these BWS hearts. And I hope for those of you who've been making this unicorn or using hearts within your designs, that you are going to be blessed with beautiful, strong hearts as well. With this design, I also wanted to mention we have not only the BWS hearts, but we've got This colour here is from Kalisan. If you want to know what it is, let me know in the comments below. I can't quite remember. But this is a Betallic Sempertex 160, and we've got the green 260 from the Kalisan range as well. But how gorgeous they are together. Oh, let's not forget this beautiful gold silk from Sempertex too. Like, it really makes me happy to see. And so the BWS hearts, yeah, strong, beautiful lobes with that great definition, as well as just being a real powerhouse taking these twists. So we've got the twist bubble here where the ears and hair attach, and we've got the pinch twist at the neck, and we've got the body. So all of that is from one heart. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. So I think I might have to remove the Qualatex hearts from my bag because it's not a good look when they go down. But that blue balloon, I can't sing its praises well enough. So I'm so grateful that my supplier JJ has those available, and like I said, I hope you have a lovely reliable supply of hearts too. And also the BWS hearts, their colours match them beautifully with the different brands that I have in my bag too. So I'm really thrilled with that kind of synergy, and yeah, I couldn't ask for anything more. It's really getting me excited to do balloons again, just having these vibrant and wonderful colours available once more. So that is it for this video. If you haven't already, why not consider subscribing to my channel? I'd love to have you here, and we can have these fun little balloon chit chats and talk. I'd like to thank